As you know, this is a DAS723 scanner, which is a highly professional diagnostic tool. It can do programming, calibration, and even adaptation on that. It can do ADAS functions. It has an anti-theft system, so it provides a passwords for the key programming, and lots of stuff more there. And it has a special functions of something like 33 special functions are there, and it has more programming over here, more programming function. It has a toolbox inside it, which can we have additional equipments to use for a tire depth checking, oscilloscope, multimeter, current clamp meter, video scope, and insulation tester, which is used for the EV vehicles. So these are the main functions which are there in this scanner.
DaTo, the legendary leader of automotive equipments,